called a vest. Chest protector, actually. It helps you from not like hurting like your like body, I guess. Your chest. Helmet and goggles and that's all.
Oh wait, that is her helmet.
Make sure you check your helmets for spiders. Now put it on. These are to help you to not get any dust in your eyes.
The most important part?
The most important part is buckling your helmet. Ow! Pinch me.
Sorry. Pipe some of these up. All right, kid. Let me see.
Yeah! When you're putting the kickstand on, you always have to turn your head on this way.
First, you have to put on the gloves.
Go gorilla!
He's just warming the bike up now. Here you
Go slow, remember?
Sundays with Victoria. Bye!